John Belkowitz. I am the Director of R&D at Intelligent Concrete, where we specialize in concrete research, development, education, and litigation work. Haven't said that in a long time. Today we're going to be doing Q&A Wednesday. And I'm pretty stoked about today's Q&A. We had a question from Khalil El Kadir. Thanks for the question, El Khalil. El Khalil is a PhD student in Morocco. He's got an Instagram account and a LinkedIn account. He's one of these new up-and-coming junior engineers in the concrete industry and really is going to be at the tip of the spear for saving the world with all the concrete in it, doing some great research with limestone and phosphogypsum. And that was the question that El Khalil had. Ding! So, awesome. John, can colloidal silica enhance concrete performance if we substitute a part of cement by a weak or a small addition like limestone or contaminated phosphogypsum? Thank you very much, Dr. Belkowitz. That's a very hard word to say, phosphogypsum. So yes, you can always replace a certain amount of your supplementary cementitious material with colloidal silica. As I understand, you asked a very specific question. Can we replace the certain amount of limestone and a certain amount of contaminated phosphogypsum and enhance the concrete with the colloidal silica in its place? Now, colloidal silica is awesome. I mean, we've done a great job talking about it. I'm going back to that first episode of our Colloidal Silica Shark Week, now turned into a Shark Month, but where we looked at the different types of colloidal silica, where you have these bare-based colloidal silica particles that are anywhere between 100 or 1 and 100 nanometers in diameter. They have that silicon dioxide at the surface with maybe a little bit of sodium, keeping it in solution. You can even have a narrow or a wide distribution of particle sizes in your distribution. So these, I don't think you're going to get the same impact that you would get from the limestone or the contaminated phosphogypsum. But there are newer and newer versions of surface-treated colloidal silicas where you could theoretically modify the surface with some type of treatment to get the similar, I don't know, same, but similar impact to the hydrated cement matrix. You know, don't forget, we're dealing with a nanoparticle, and normally with limestone and phosphogypsum, it's more of a micron-sized particle, and there is going to be a different dissolution rate. So yes, you could definitely enhance the concrete, but it's not really going to be exactly the same. And it shouldn't be. You know, we have all these different technologies out there. Colloidal silica is not the silver bullet. It's a very small piece of a larger mix design. I mean, we've got 27 cubic feet in a cubic yard. There's so many things that we can add, especially with technologies like this where you don't need a lot of it. Why take something like the limestone out, or even your fly ash or your slags or whatever, if this will only enhance what's already in that concrete mix design? So, hope that helped you out. Let me know if you have any questions, any concrete concerns. Don't forget, we're the experts in concrete, and I'm banging the table. I'm going to stop that. Go concrete, beat asphalt.